start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will create a simple Django project that adds two numbers using jQuery AJAX. The main advantage of the AJAX that we can send the data to a Django server and display the result without refreshing the page. Okay, first we create a Django project and the application name sum of two number. Okay, this is my application, this is my Django project. Okay, this is a template folder, static folder. Okay, next we add application. Actually we register our application to install underscore app inside a settings.py. In the project directory settings.py you have, this is a, we can say in a Python, this is a list contain several applications. Okay, one of is sum of two. This is application that is created by me, and there is admin.auth. This is for admin purpose, and this auth purpose, and then session, and this message. They are all are created by default by Django application. Okay, so then we configure the static directory here, static underscore URL and static underscore dir. Base of this directory, system can understand where our static folder is placed inside our project directory. Okay, then now let we configure our URLs. So we go the project URLs, and here we register the URL path sum of two.urls. Okay, then we go to our application URLs. There is the application URL. Here we define the path of our application root directory. Okay, then the view receive, then the view, our view receive the two number from the AJAX request and add them and return the result in JSON format. Okay, the help of view, the in the post method they can get, when the first is refresh the page at first, then this render the add.html. Okay, this come, then when we submit the page, then the request.method equals to post. Okay, then we fetch the value of num1 and num2 from my templates and add them and send it in a JSON form, send the response in a JSON format to the AJAX. Okay, next we create our HTMLs. This is our HTML part. Okay, these are base.html. Actually this hold the basic layout of the all pages of my HTML, of my templates. This is the nav bar. Okay, here is set a URL of the addition, and this is our main add.html. All the operations are done here. Actually here the user can input some values, two number num1 and num2 by the help of DOM input element. Okay, this all about, and we submit it. After that the result is shown in that case. Okay, to fill and submit button, the result container, we also add a CSRF token here. Okay, because the Django require if we use the post request. Okay, now we load the jQuery and our server to JavaScript file inside the base.html. Okay, we at first load the jQuery at first. Okay, then we register the link of our script.js. Okay, without register the jQuery, we can't load the script.js. Okay, jQuery must be loaded before the JavaScript, otherwise we will get an error. Suppose dollar is not defined. Finally, we write the AJAX here. AJAX part. In the AJAX part, $.document.read. Okay, that means whole document is loaded in our browser, and when the whole document is loaded in our browser, the console.log show in our console, our web browser, jQuery is working. Okay, then we fetch a DOM element that's called a calculate sum. Okay, calculate sum, we basically, this is that calculate sum. When we click it, the event, the function is run. Okay, otherwise it's hold it. And event.prevent is actually, event.prevent method is prevent the from for refreshing the page. Okay, then it's fetch the num1 and num2 values from the template. Okay, is also fetch a CSRF token from the template, and here our AJAX part is work. Okay, once add in this path, when the method equals to post, the to data will be sent to the server. Okay, Django server. After the operation done, then if the operation is successful, then it's come to the success part. Okay, of the AJAX function, and then we empty the num1 and num2 folder, num1 or num2 input places, and we display the result in our div. Okay, here we display the result in our div like that, 123 and 10 calculate in our div. Here we have a div in our div. If the, by help of text, it's the format is the text format, we show that with the text format. Okay, if any error occur, then is obviously alert an error occur while calculating the sum. That's all about an error occur while calculating the sum. This instantly without refreshing the page. Okay, and you can see the result is appear instantly without refreshing the page. We look our browser when the calculating, not refreshing the page. Okay, we also can say inspect mode. We use the inspect mode. Okay, without inspect mode, we show it. The body. If I enter 123 or 123, then no refreshing. Okay, so without AJAX, what happened, then we also saw that suppose we in the base.html we remove this part, just comment out, and okay, and our views.py we also commit our JSON response and we activate our render template. Okay, just check it, 123 and 10. When they calculate, refreshing the page is low. That's take a too much time. Okay, because all the data DOM element are load, then our result is come. So avoiding this, we can use the AJAX. It's a faster way. Okay, so that is for today Django AJAX tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye.